Linking CSS to HTML in Visual Studio involves these steps. Create HTML file. Start by creating an HTML file in your Visual Studio project or open an existing HTML file you wish to style with CSS. Create CSS file. If you haven't yet, create a CSS file where you will write your styles. Right-click in the Solution Explorer, choose Add New Item, select Style Sheet or CSS file and give it a name. Write CSS. Open the CSS file and write your CSS styles to define the appearance of HTML elements. Link CSS to HTML. In your HTML file, within the head section, add the link tag to connect the CSS file. Use the href attribute to specify the path to your CSS file. Ensure the href attribute matches the CSS file's name and location in your project. Apply styles. With the CSS file linked, HTML elements can now use the styles defined in the CSS file. Apply classes or IDs to HTML elements, then use those identifiers in the CSS file to apply the styles. Save and preview. Save both the HTML and CSS files and preview your HTML file in a browser to see the applied styles.